This is the Glow LED's Clozd coinskinz V2, and it changed the way that I gloved forever. They are a reincarnation of what a few remember as coinskinz, from an old company called Orbit Light Show. RIP. What you'll notice is that there's no bulb diffuser you'll commonly see with most glove sets. It's an all-in-one casing and diffuser, and it's a pretty genius move. Having the whole casing light up as one piece captures a sense of harmony within each finger. The glow encompasses the entire casing, allowing it to shine brighter than most traditional case and bulb setups. They are made with thermoplastic polyurethane, which has characteristics of both plastic and rubber. It's a very strong material that has good transparency. I could not stand past hard casings hurting my cuticles after a night of gloving. This is dance, not torture. It's actually a pretty advanced skill to print flexible filaments, and as a Glow LED sponsor, I have witnessed the hard work and dedication that the company has been putting into improving and innovating their products. This is the second version after all. They do not inhibit access to your microlight button for mode switching, and the smooth finish makes for easy removal from your gloves. At first I was a bit skeptical of the design. The reason they are called Clozd is because the front end is literally closed. It was not a concept that I was familiar with, but it's because of this closing that makes this product so great. When you turn on your microlight, there's an evenly spread out glow that emits throughout the upper half of the casing. There is a slight drop off at the bottom half. This is due to the shadow of my chip, and even then does the area of the light exceed majority of most glove sets. On the other end is the opening for your microlight. The flaps are flexible and durable enough to keep changing your sets for a really long time. These are my first batch and I've been using them for years. My only complaint are the rough edges near the openings. Even though the viewer will never see this end during an actual show, first impressions of the naked product are important, and I can only hope Glow LEDs will perfect this in the future. Inside, you'll find an additional piece called capes, which are an effective tool to centering your light within the body of the casing. No rattling, no shakes. It is a part of the process that I did not enjoy at first. It requires you to slip on your chip, and the rounded edges allow it to fit the bulb nicely and compact. It is a smaller piece with a unique shape, so I'd occasionally drop them. But once you get the hang of it, it is possible to leave the capes in the casing while successfully removing the chip. The Clozd coinskinz V2 are my favorite casings to ever exist. These are my daily drivers and I don't plan on changing them anytime soon. Because of the shape and smooth straight lines of the casings, it actually makes performing moves feel a lot more precise. Sometimes I wonder if a complete rectangular casing would achieve that, but I am reminded that its shape harmonizes with that of a human finger. It totally improves the way that I do technical moves, and this gives me a sense of confidence. It's visually easier to see the alignment of your fingers, and the flatness of the casing act as sort of a measuring tool. You really feel the quality of the connections when you're doing concepts like finger tutting or clusters. There is more surface area to land when you're performing highly precise connections. It makes complexity easier to do. Tech junkies will love this product. I am a huge advocate for coin-sized chips because of their size and weight. There is more kinetic energy within them, making moves like whips and flails feel more impactful. There's a sensation felt throughout your fingertips with each circular movement you do, a tour guide of flow. The feeling is only multiplied when paired with Glow LED's red tags. This is what perfect gloving feels like. It is hands down the best glove and casing combination that I've ever used in my entire 12 years of gloving. There are multiple colors to choose from as well. Customability is one of the most exciting things about gloving. Being able to choose different pieces of gear, each with their own unique vibe and feeling. It's a level of expression beyond the normal state of consciousness. As flow artists, we strive to express ourselves through the means of movement, but it is our gear that becomes an extension of us. It is our gear that projects our movements, and the Clozd coinskinz V2 has allowed me to express myself that no other casing has ever been capable of doing. Code Aloha Nation gives you 10% off at glow-leds.com. If you are looking to be the most balanced version of yourself, then the Clozd coinskinz V2 will guide you to unlock that potential. So, I heard you were thinking about joining the Academy. Look, I've been gloving for more than 12 years. Throughout those years, I've always wondered, could I ever support myself doing this? Turns out, I might stand a chance, but only with the help from you guys. So, you want to speedrun this shit? All the knowledge will be right at your fingertips. See you there.